Welcome to HI Online Livestream. I'm Sherry Fredrickson, and I'm going to take you through a series of standing poses so that we can strengthen our standing. Let's start just standing in what we usually call Tadasana. And if you have a block or a pillow or a rolled up blanket, take it and place it between your thighs. The first thing we're going to do is access and strengthen the inner thighs. If you don't have anything, that's okay. Just pay attention to your thighs. I'm going to turn sideways so that you can see a little bit more about what I'm doing. Take the hands on the waist. Make sure you're breathing diaphragmatically so the breath is here. This strengthens the body. This is the pranic hub, and we need that prana to move down through the legs to internally strengthen as we strengthen the muscles. So breathe through the diaphragm, and as you exhale, bend the knees as you hold the block or hold your inner thighs, engaging them. And as you inhale, come up. And we'll do this several times. Exhale, coming down. Inhale, coming up. Make sure you stay in your heels. You can bring your arms out to the side. Might make it a little bit easier. Or you can bring your arms up. Again, exhaling, use your breath. Exhaling down, inhaling up. Twice more. Relax your shoulders. And then this time as you come up, release. If you've been holding on to a block or a pillow or a blanket, release and stand in this mountain pose. Soften your gaze or close your eyes. Notice what's happening in your inner thighs now. Use them, but without gripping. Make sure you're still breathing diaphragmatically. Separate your feet a little bit wider than your leg length. Turn and face your right foot, turning the right foot out and the left heel out. Take your hands back on your pelvis or your waist. As you exhale, bend the front knee. And as you inhale, release up. This time as you exhale, bend the knee. As you inhale, stay there. Bring the arms up for warrior two. Keep breathing in the abdomen, and as you exhale, press down through both heels. Keep breathing. Each time you exhale, it's an opportunity to really stand strong in your legs. And then as you inhale, unbend the knee, turn to face neutral again, relax your arms. Turn your right heel out, your left foot out. And if you lose your balance, you can always regain it. It teaches your body how to regain balance in the face of difficult situations. So as you exhale, bend the knee, this time the left knee. And as you inhale, straighten the leg. As you exhale, bend the knee again. As you inhale, bring the arms up alongside the head. If that's comfortable, if not, take them out to the side or leave them on the waist. Whatever you feel is best for you. Stay here for a few breaths, making sure you breathe into the abdomen, and each exhale moves down through your legs. You're moving awareness down through your legs, through the heels, out through the toes. And as you inhale again, straighten the leg, turn to face neutral, release the arms down. Shake out the arms, bring the legs together. Pause for a moment. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Notice what's happening in your body now. Can you feel your legs underneath you? By stabilizing the pelvis, by stabilizing the legs, you actually allow the whole upper body to rest on that stabilization. So your heart rests more deeply. Your abdomen can rest more completely. Use your legs without gripping them. And then separate your feet wider again, the wider stance. Turn your right foot out, your left heel out, but stay and face the neutral position. Keep breathing. Soften your gaze or close your eyes. Lift the pelvic floor slightly, doing a root lock, Mula Bandha. Just a slight engagement. Use your inner thighs to lengthen through your legs. Relax your shoulders. On your next exhale, bend the right knee. As you turn that right foot out, bend the knee. Be strong through the back leg. On your next inhale, raise the left arm over the back leg. On your next inhale, raise the right arm. Warrior two. Again, keep the stability in your legs by doing a slight engagement of the root, using the inner thighs and pressing down through the heels. And when you're ready, turn and look over your right arm, your right shoulder, if it's comfortable for your neck. Warrior two. Find the stability here in your legs. Find your instability. Breathe there. Take your attention there. Is it in your knees, in your pelvis, in your hips, in your back? And then in your next inhale, straighten the leg. Exhaling, release the arms, turn the feet parallel. Stability doesn't mean stiffness. There has to be a flow. You don't want stiffness in your body, or it's easy to get knocked over, especially in difficult times when the world can be unstable. If you're too stiff and rigid, then you'll easily get knocked aside. So let's do the other side and find stability without stiffness. Turn your left foot out, your right heel out. And again, you're going to face neutral. This is warrior two. Take your hands on your pelvis or your waist. As you exhale, bend the left knee, but without collapsing in the right leg. So you use that inner thigh, and again, not stiffly, but using stability. Keep breathing. If this is as far as you want to go, this is great. If you want, you can raise your right arm over the right leg, and then raise the left arm over the left leg. Find stability here without being rigid. And then turn your head over to the left. Continue to breathe diaphragmatically or abdominally. Find stability without being rigid here. And then release the arms, straighten the leg, come back to center. Pause for a moment, breathe here. Take your hands on your abdomen. As you exhale, bend the knees, moving down through your legs. As you inhale, come up. One more pose, just a brief pose to complete. Take your hands back on your waist. As you exhale, bend the knees. As you inhale, raise the arms. And as you exhale, lean slightly forward as you sit down just a little bit further. Find the stability in your legs, and then consider what makes your heart stable, not stiff, not rigid. But can this practice of finding stability in your body help your heart become more stable in difficult times? And then inhale, come up. Exhale, release the arms down. So thank you for joining me today. I hope that we can find stability together. Thank you.